Hello friends. Today's video is very interesting. In this video you learn that which are the ways to get an internship at Google. If you like my video then do not forget to subscribe my channel GamTech Studio. There are 4 major ways of applying. How to apply? First one is online application. Applying online on the Google Internship portal. You will need your resume in PDF and transcript. Link is in description. Second one is employees referral. Ask someone in Google to refer you. You can find them on LinkedIn or Facebook. This will only get you past the resume screening process. After that, the procedure is same for everyone. Third one is mailing the Google HR. Find the previous Google or a former intern and ask her to provide you the email address of the HR. Mail the HR directly, clearly stating your purpose, with a well-crafted cover letter and resume. Fourth one is Google Summer of Code. It's not exactly an internship at Google, it's a global program sponsored by Google, where students work on the projects with open source organizations, previously selected by Google, independently under some mentorship. Students contact the mentor organizations they want to intern with and submit a project proposal. It's a virtual aka work from home internship program.